Hi, I'm Susette Brand. Thank you for coming to this class, and I am actually just going to talk to you like you were my friend Tim. Hey Tim, thank you. I know you're really busy. So I just want to tell you, Dr. Kawada is the real deal. And how are we going to pay for all this? And this is a real thing globally. So about a year ago in February, right before we quarantined 2020, I was on a call with Dr. Kawada, and he said, Susette, there was a cat problem in Japan. I went to the government and said, if you halved your SCCC, so for instance, like it was 200 days and they halved it to 100 days, then you wouldn't have to raise your taxes. So the government of Japan actually did. They implemented SCCC and BSQ. The other thing is now they're actually accelerating it because of the global pandemic. So what I wanted to share with you is Dr. Kawada's offered for 5 qualified companies to do personal help implementing your own productivity miracle. So imagine getting coached and trained by T.Eng Ono when he was alive. And that's how cool this is. And it's his 10-week graduate level course with follow-up. And so if you're interested, go to leanmeamanagement.com and sign up. Enjoy the course. I want to say a very special thanks to George Trachilis for putting this on, Dr. Kawada for your inspiration, Farhad Azimi who took me on this journey. I know it's not the Academy Awards. Ersan Anderson has done a lot in the background to make this work. And also, Alvars, what a very inspiring story. Thank you. Enjoy. Bye-bye.